Okay, Aunt Christy and Uncle Steve and Aunt Cindy and Uncle Randy and Megan and Chad. Since nobody wanted to trudge into the foot-deep snow just from last night, we'll let you watch them opening their presents. Trin, you got a Polly Pocket? Oh, perfect.
Did you get some Legos?
Yeah.
Mac, what is it?
Whoa, what's in there?
Oh my goodness.
Holy moly.
Trin.
You don't want to look at the
What do you want to
picture?
get? Okay, Daddy? What you want to get?
Don't you just want to look at the picture?
Here, Daddy. We'll let her open hers in a minute.
Don't you just want to look at the picture? Trin, what is that?
Oh my goodness, how pretty. Did you see the back of it, Trin? Look at the back of it.
I always wanted an Ariel one.
You did? Okay, I think there's one more from Meg. Open that and I'll come back.
You know, open this.
Dude, what did you get?
Egos.
Egos? Like, let go of your Egos? Are those Duplos?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, Mac, can you say thanks, everybody?
Thanks.
Hey, Matt,
What?
say, please come see me, Megan.
Papa, please come see me, Megan. I always start on the sides because it's easier.
Okay, we'll open it.
I want to open it. I want to open it. I want to open it. No.
We're going to take it to your room and then we'll open it, okay?
Okay.
You get some new jammies too, dude? Those are pretty sharp. I like those.
Grandpa, your robe.
What is it?
Trin, a fancy Nancy book?
I get my robe.
Show Grandma.
Oh my goodness.
Is that a Superman robe?
No.
Oh,
Almost, Grandpa.
Trin, that's so cute.
Lightning McQueen.
That's like an activity book. I'll help you look at it in a little bit. And what else is in there? What else is in there?
Oh, I saw that too, yeah. Pretty cool. We had a dress in there.
Oh, a fancy Nancy workbook. Trin, can you, hey, look at the camera. Can you tell Megan thank you?
Thanks.
Wow. Oh my goodness. Okay, there's parents and the bro and the Addie in her new princess PJs who rolled over last night and got stuck on her back and had problems.
Much room to grow in these. Yeah, much room to grow.
Okay guys, thank you so much for Christmas. There's some of the damage. And our 12-foot tree. And my cute mantle. And the fireplace that Meg could be cuddling with Courtney in front of. We love you guys. Merry Christmas.